Hey guys, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustler TV. If you are new to my channel, just go ahead and click that subscribe button. Turn on those bells because we have about 30 uploads that's coming to you, and you don't want to miss out on no new videos. Now today I will be installing a straight lace wig, and this is a lace front wig provided by Wignice Hair. And I did have the unboxing video, but the phone I recorded the unboxing on, unfortunately it broke and I can't show you the unboxing. But this wig did come with some little goodies in the bag, in the box, and it came with this straight lace wig. The hairline wasn't pre-plucked, so I did do some plucking. And however, the quality of this wig is really nice, super full and super soft. So today I will be doing a lace wig install. I will not do any baby hairs for this video, and I also did a little different installing technique for you guys today, which may be a little bit easier for those who are not so good at putting on lace wigs, or as I like to say, you know, a little beginner friendly when it comes to applying laces. And this is a way you can also try out to see if it works best for you. So first things first, I did go ahead and apply the cap. I am using Ruby Kisses foundation, cream foundation, and that's in level 14. And I just applied that all underneath that lace and on top as well to give it a better, you know, like meltdown as far as the color. Now, you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, I usually apply that glue throughout the whole hairline, then pull down the lace. But today I decided to show you guys a different method, and I went ahead and split that lace into 3 different sections, and I'm going to tack down each section one by one, still leaving the extra lace on before I cut it off. And I will be using the BOLDHOLD active today as well to apply that lace. Now I'm going to start off by doing the middle section first. So I'm just going to add my layers of that BOLDHOLD active glue, and once I put all of the layers, I'm going to pull that first section down into that glue, cutting off the extra lace, blow drying it down, and doing the whole 9 yards as I would if I would have glued the whole wig at the same time. And then once I get that center down, which I will be using like as my guideline, then I will go ahead and cut off the extra lace on the left side of the head and lay that down, and then repeat the same steps on the right side. But I will show you better than I can tell you, so you guys get an actual visual of what I am describing to you. So now that that glue has dried clear, as I mentioned, I will pull that down and I will hold that down, blow dry it, you know, the whole 9 yards, melt the lace into that glue, then cut off that extra lace, tack down whatever is still lifting, and then work my way to the other side. Now, for those who are wondering why am I doing it like this time, and always in my videos, I do a lot of the same technique, but I also try to show you different techniques because some ways may work better for others. And I thought this one was just like quite easier to do, especially if you're not really good with applying the glue or trying to apply all your lace at one time. Like, this should definitely help you out. And I do recommend, if you're gonna do this method, do it with the center of the head first. And as I did here, I just cut off the extra lace, and I will pretty much tack that area down that is still lifting. But as far as the side, as I mentioned, I will cut that extra lace off, and you kind of want to eyeball where that excuse me guys, where that lace will lay, and if you need to cut off any extra cap or anything like that so it can lay perfectly. As you see here, I cut that extra off, and then I went ahead and laid the lace down just to make sure it will cover up where I needed to cover. And I'm just going to go in with that BOLDHOLD active once again, add my layers, and then once it dries clear, tack that corner down, cut off the extra around the ear, and then everything I'm doing to this side, I will repeat to the other side as well. So now that I went ahead and did everything on that side, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the remaining of the lace and tack this side down as well. Now another thing I pulled out of my bag today that I have not used in a while, and that will be the NAIROBI's mousse. I'm still going to spray down my hairline using that bed head and then tie it down, and then I will come back in with a second tying down using the NAIROBI's mousse. And I did that method just to kind of like, it was kind of like a trial and error thing for me. If you did not want the hardness that the bed head spray leaves off, I just wanted to go in behind that bed head with that mousse just to, you know, soften it up a little bit. Even though when you use the mousse, it does make it hard when it dry, but it still give you that soft look. So later on in this tutorial, you will also see me, like I said, bring that NAIROBI's mousse out of the box and, you know, just see what kind of feel does it give the hairline after the bed head. And I actually liked how it came out as well. And especially because I am not doing any baby hairs for this install, I thought it would be perfect just to have, like, you know, that natural soft looking hairline, because it just will be a simple middle part today. But I did add, you know, just two like of the little bobby pins on the side, you know, the bobby pins with the words on it, and just a simple one that came in the pack. But yeah, later on, as I mentioned in this tutorial, you will see me, you know, do that little trick there. And I just wanted to say that, yeah, I actually kind of, yeah, I liked it. I liked it. It was just something new that I tried out and I actually liked it. So when you do see it and you feel like you want to give it a try, like, let me know. What do you think? Is it easier? Do you like it better? Does it give it a softer feel to you? And, you know, just leave me some feedback. And here is what the hairline looks like after removing my melt belt, after using the bed head spray. And as I mentioned, I will go back in with the NAIROBI's mousse and do the same thing. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and part off my center part and, you know, begin to hot comb those roots out and everything like that. And just making sure the part is in the middle. I will use my wax stick to just get everything nice, flat, and silked. And now that I have that all pressed out, I'm just going to pull that hair back once again. And now I'm going to go in with the NAIROBI's mousse. And you guys know I really love this mousse. If you actually watch like my older videos, you will see me using this very often. And it's like I kind of replaced my NAIROBI's with the bed head, but you know, I'm just gonna bring it back for you guys, and like I said, use it in this video. So this is after the bed head. I'm doing my second tie down with that mousse, just as I mentioned before, to kind of like soften it up a bit. And this is what it looks like now that I have removed it. To me, it does look a little softer than before. And I'm just going to go ahead and comb that out and just take my blow dryer and just making sure that it is completely dry. Like I said, to me, for some reason, it looks like it got even a tad bit more melted and more natural looking. So that was a really good benefit. And even if I would have did baby hairs, I probably would have did the baby hairs with the mousse in this video, but I would try to do some new videos with the mousse method as far as the baby hairs. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hot comb once again and hit those roots because they're softer now and everything like that. And once I get everything combed down, I'm just gonna go ahead and black spray my part and conceal it. And then I would just go ahead and add a little bobby pins on the side. And this will pretty much sum up this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about this install. And just a reminder, if you are new to my channel, just go ahead and click that subscribe button now. Like I've mentioned, we have about 30 new uploads coming, so you do not want to miss out, honey. And the inches in my videos are getting longer and longer, so make sure you stay tuned. Till next time.